Have you been to the beaches in San Francisco? The big break of waves and golden sand and hiking trails that you have never seen before. Today, we'll explore the beauty of San Francisco, California. Hey there, if you're new here, welcome to our channel. We focus on traveling around the top and greatest destinations around the world. If you have not subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button below to show your support for our channel. San Francisco. It's well known for its Golden Gate Bridge, Alcatraz, and wonderful beaches facing the Pacific Ocean. With its vast mountains, steep rolling hills, and huge nature reserves, tourists can't go wrong for visiting San Francisco. If you are a hiker or a surfer or a nature lover as a whole, you'll definitely love San Francisco. San Francisco has abundant beaches that you can visit. Although swimming is not advisable because of strong rip currents, you can enjoy it by indulging in different activities. You can also enjoy the quaint sunset on the horizon of California. Here are the top beaches that you can find in San Francisco. Mori Beach. This beach is just located in the small town of Mori Beach. The area is filled with tall cliffs that are perfect for catching the best view of the Pacific Ocean while bird watching. There are a handful of hiking trails that you can visit, from the Redwood Creek Trailhead, Owl Trail, and Tide Pool Trail. If you hike far enough, you will definitely find the Pirates Cove Park. There are plenty of viewpoints that you can go from, like Mori Beach Overlook and the Moon Cow Bay, which is, by the way, considered to be a historical landmark. The other viewpoint is called Kick Point. This is the furthest scenic spot that you can get to. Are you tired and want to chill for a bit? Then you can bring your beach chair with you and just kick back and relax. Other activities include beachcombing, fishing, sunbathing, picnicking, and even bonfires. If you're with your dog, even better is they allow dogs to roam around off-leash as long as the dog is properly trained with voice commands. Rodeo Beach. Rodeo Beach is one of the best beaches located in the Golden Gate National Recreation Area, where there are plenty of activities that you can delve into. From hiking, surfing, sunbathing, and picnicking, you will definitely enjoy and love this place. What I love about Rodeo Beach is how quaint the nearby green mountains and cliffs are. The sound of the beach, the smell of the air, and the azure water of Rodeo Beach. What a time to be alive. Strong waves which are perfect for surfers and water sports enthusiasts. On the rear Rodeo Beach is Rodeo Lagoon. It is just 100 meters away from the beach. The lagoon is full of diverse animals, from different species of birds, frogs, and even endangered fish. Swimming in the brackish water of the lagoon is not allowed. There are plenty of hiking trails as well that lead to some of the historic military batteries that were built during the 20th century. Montara State Beach. Montara State Beach is well known for its surfing potential and great beach breaks. The beach is located just north of Half Moon Bay Airport, which is estimated to be 3 miles away. Aside from surfing, other activities include fishing, beach walking, hiking, beach combing, and tide pooling. Dogs are allowed on the premises of Montara State Beach as long as they are properly leashed. Well, another perfect day for your pooch. There are a handful of trails you can hike which will eventually lead to quaint viewpoints of Monterra waters. Point Monterra Lighthouse, which is situated just south of the road from Montara State Beach, is a walking distance historical place nearby. With its wide and mile-long shore, it is a perfect spot for beach walking, while relaxing your mind from stress. Baker Beach. A getaway beach trip to relax and indulge in recreational activities should be on your to-do list this coming weekend. You need to rest so you can bounce back and be better in your daily activities at work. Baker Beach is located just near the Golden Gate Bridge. This beach is perfect for relaxing and pondering, and if you are into fishing, you may do so. Hiking was also made popular in this area. If you're longing for that perfect tan, sunbathing and relaxing under the sun should be on your main agenda. The beach is less than a mile long, but that does not mean that it is not fun to visit. There is a military gun structure established to the north of the beach called Battery Chamberlain, which was built in 1904. You can visit them alone or with your family. You should take note that further north of Baker Beach is a clothing optional area. Therefore, if you have children with you, it's better to be careful. No one can deny the beauty of the beach. The right temperature of water during summertime and the golden color of sand. Despite the beauty of the beach, indulging in swimming activities is not advisable because of the coming rip currents showing in the area. China Beach. Not so far from Baker Beach, China Beach should also be in your option if other beaches are fully occupied. The beach is rather smaller than Baker Beach, but one can still enjoy the activities on the beach. China Beach offers the same activities and amenities as Baker Beach. Dogs on the beach, however, are not allowed, even on leashes. If you want to visit the scenic spot near the beach, a walk on the trail of 15 to 20 minutes should get you there. The Land's End Trail Eagle Point and Land's End viewing spots will give you the best view of the beach and the Golden Gate Bridge in the background. Armstrong Redwood State Natural Reserve. Huge trees, narrow pathways, and even green grasses. It looks just like a vivid dream. Armstrong Redwood State Natural Reserve is a perfect spot for day trails and picnics beneath the shade of these 350-foot tall and 2,000-year-old trees. When visiting the natural reserve, the Visitor Center will provide you with everything to plan ahead, and you do not have to worry about the trails as they are all marked. You can also choose what difficulty you want to trail. The easy option is just a 1-mile loop. If you want a challenging trail, the exhausting 9-mile trek is waiting for you. There are other facilities that you can find to take a break. While here, it is important to love nature as it is. As a nature lover, this place will leave you in awe. Brasswood Bar plus Kitchen. Experience the exquisite and well-known restaurant situated at St. Helena Highway. Brasswood Bar plus Kitchen is the perfect place to eat with your significant other. With its attractive plating, sweet wines, and the hospitality of staff is over the top. The most ordered food from Brasswood Bar is the Mediterranean-inspired food. The duck bolognese, for instance, and the perfect soup for the cold evening, the French onion soup. There are plenty of dishes that you can choose from the menu. You just have to visualize yourself enjoying your food. There's plenty of parking space, so you don't have to worry about it. All you have to worry about is the capacity of your stomach. With its flavorful dishes, I guess it's hard not to order an extra dish to satisfy your cravings and to make your visit worthwhile. If their wine suits your taste, you can buy a bottle from the nearby winery called Brasswood Cellars. Alila Napa Valley. If staying is your main priority in Napa Valley, there are many hotels that you can choose from in the area. But if you're considering the best that you can stay in, look no further than Alina Napa Valley. Alina Napa Valley is a Georgian-style 5-star hotel that caters to all your needs. From its chic lodging, exquisite dining experience, and a modern-looking pool. It was built in 1907 and was previously known as Las Alcobas Napa Valley and is situated on Main Street. The rooms in this hotel offer a unique experience to guests, where the vibe is luxurious. The beds are king-size with wide and tall glass doors. They even have a fireplace on the balcony, which is perfect for cold nights, where the fire heat radiates towards you to warm your body. The quaint view of the background, which is a vineyard, is perfect scenery during the sunset. Monterra. Monterra is a perfect area to go for tourists, but you must be aware that a day's visit won't cover all the good places that Monterra has to offer. The Sanctuary Beach Resort. The first place you should go to is the Sanctuary Beach Resort. The resort is considered to be a 4-star hotel with 60 rooms where you can enjoy plenty of amenities like the bar, the complimentary Wi-Fi, pool, and spa. Situated in the middle of sand dunes where you can feel the breeze and hear the sounds of waves. If you're looking for a bang for your buck, ask for a room that is situated at the second level of the hotel. There you will find the best view of your life from the beach of Monterey and the sunset on the horizon. Also, you might come across a wandering whale from a distance. Get your camera phone ready. The pool is great with plenty of beach chairs and also has a kiddie pool. And if you're tired of walking around, a golf cart valet is always roaming around the resort for guests who want to chime in. Point Reyes. Are you a kayak enthusiast? If yes, then you'll enjoy what Point Reyes has to offer. From kayaking, hiking, and oysters, you can't go wrong with Point Reyes. You might want to bring a bigger bag as a day tour is not enough to cover all the gorgeous places that Point Reyes has to offer. Blue Water Kayaking. Blue Water Kayaking is a kayak tour agency situated on the Shoreline Highway. If you want to discover and explore the wilds of Point Reyes, its natural seashore is filled with more than 2,000 wildlife species. Bringing binoculars will make spotting wildlife easier in the wild, like blue herons, osprey, and even cranes. Nature lovers will surely love tours with Blue Water Kayaking. Tamales Bay and Point Reyes are the ultimate experience, with the help of tour guides who are educated and passionate on what they do. They provide their guests with exceptional and informative guides to kayaking and the environment of Point Reyes. Tamales Bay Trail. Tamales Bay Trail will be loved by hiking enthusiasts. Aside from its easy hike, the quaint view of the beach will always get you going. It doesn't matter if it's a foggy or a sunny day. It will always be a perfect day to hike the Tamales Bay Trail. If you're yearning for that perfect Instagrammable photo of yours, a visit during the spring should be your priority, as thousands of wildflowers can be seen along the trail. Overall, good sneakers for hiking on this trail should be prioritized, due to it being a marshland. Don't forget to bring sunscreen and a hat with you, as shades are not available on this trail. A visit during spring or summer is perfect if you want to visit many places that will be a spectacular view during those seasons. If you want to visit during its warmest to enjoy the beach, September is a sweet spot. A 7 to 10 day tour should be enough to visit these places. If the information in this video helped you to plan your travels, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, hit the subscribe button below and click the notification bell to notify you when a new video has been uploaded. And I'll see you again in the next one. Cheers.